In a previous video, I generated a new React project by using the Create React App command line tool. In this video, I want to continue by doing a quick overview on some of the different project files and folders that were generated by that tool. If I do ls right here, you will see the lottery project all the way over. Let's see, here it is, a lottery React project. And that's the only project we care about at this point. Okay, and that was the project generated by the Create React App tool. Now, I'm going to cd or change directory into the lottery React application. Then I'm going to open my Atom editor so that I can open up the project files and folders. And I'm going to look at some of these different files and directories. So right away, you'll notice I have two folders. I have the public folder and the SRC folder. Inside the public folder, you'll notice I have a static index.html file. And this is the root file that will be loaded up anytime someone attempts to visit my application. I won't do too much inside of here, but I do want you to know that it exists. Now, inside the SRC folder, you will see a bunch of JavaScript files and CSS files as well. The most relevant file I will be using is the app.js file. Now, when you open the app.js file, you will see a component. It declares a class that extends the root component. Now, there is a render method here, and that render method returns some amount of JSX, which is all this HTML looking stuff here. And that will eventually be displayed on the screen of our browser when we run this application. I'm going to head over to the command line. I'm going to actually start up the application by typing in npm run start. Now it says that something is already running on port 3000. Okay. And so it's asking, would you like to run the app on another port instead? And we're going to go ahead and say, yes, please run on another port. So now the application will run on port 3001. And so this is going to display the app.js component that we were just looking at. So all this that you're seeing here, that's what was represented by all this. So I will be refactoring all of this, but this is what you should be seeing by default at this time. And so now in a subsequent video, I'm going to modify this code to incorporate some different components of my Ethereum application. See you then.